Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and my beautiful name is Wahoo. So today I want to show you how to use a washing machine as I fua my duvet iko hapa ndani. This is how we do it. Kwanza we have to open the tap. Tunafungulia maji. Hivyo. Then we have to put it on. Tukishaiweka on, una make sure umefunga. Then we open it from here. Alafu my duvet tunaileta hapa kwa cotton. Ina take 3 hours 18 minutes, but we can change that kwa kufunction. Tuiweke less. One hour. For speed it is 40. Oh no, temperature it is 40. Speed we can add to 10. That is then we start. No, before we start washing, we put our omo. Na ukinunua lazima you make sure it is a washing machine powder. Sorry guys about that. Nilienda kwa scissors for us to use the washing foam. Kwa kuweka omo, it is on this side. Just a little cause ni duve moja. Kidogo tu, si mingi sana. Then kwa using kwa star salt, unaweka hapa katikati. I love using this one. So tunapima kidogo tu because duvet ni moja. Na pia hapa you can weka sabuni yako ya liquid, but it's not a must. Natumia omo peke yake, duvet yangu si chafu sana. Then we close there. Tumeset time, tumeset temperature na speed, so we start washing our duvet. Immediately inajilog. It is a very good machine. Na tutasikia sasa ikianza kuosha duvet yangu. We will come back and show you guys. Bye. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, share and comment. Bye. So guys, as you can see, imeanza kuspin. So my duvet imeanza kuoshwa, and up here tulikuwa tumeweka omo na star salt. Omo ishachukuliwa because the duvet inaoshwa. So I'll come back later and show you guys how it goes. Bye.